Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's decor is going to be cupcake stands in a beach style. And also stay tuned to the end because the winner of our giveaway will be announced. And here is what you need. You're going to need paint, wooden plaques, some candlestick holders, metal ribbon that I got from Amazon, some decorative nails, glue, and a paintbrush. So because I'm making two stands, the first thing we're going to do is take two of the candle holders and glue them together and put them aside to dry. The next thing we're going to do is remove any hardware and any stickers that our wooden plaques will have. Now we prime our candlestick holders and the wood, and this way we don't waste so much colored paint when we are doing our finished product. Okay, so the primer is dry and we're going to start with painting the bottom of the candlestick holders this khaki beige, and this will signify the sand color. And then we're going to go on to an aqua blue and then a lighter blue to signify the ocean and the sky. Now as I'm painting, you may see that I'm not letting the paint dry. I'm going from one to the next and it's picking up some of the other paint, but that's okay. Once this first layer dries, you're going to give it a second and a third layer and it should look perfect. First coat is complete. Now on to the plaques. Now once the plaques are completely painted, we have to glue the stands on to the plaques, and this is what that looks like. And as that's drying, I'm going to prepare the shells that I'm going to embellish it with and get my ribbon ready. So now to attach the ribbon to the bottom of the plaque, all you have to do is bring it around nice and tight and use your nails. And it usually can go in as a push pin, but you would have to take it downstairs or, take it aside and hammer it with the mallet because this wood is thicker. And once I'm done, I'll be back. Here's our finished product. I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping that my daughter-in-law will love them just as much as I do. I think they're so pretty to put on top of your counter, and you can actually display anything you want on it and use it as a cake stand or as a cupcake stand. Absolutely beautiful. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. The winner of my $25 gift card giveaway is Paris Haley, and she is from Naperville, Illinois. Paris, I am going to send you an email. You have 24 hours to get back to me and give me your address, and I will send you your $25 Visa gift card. Congratulations, Haley. Bye.